Tata. There is no Indian without hearing this name. From tea to trucks and salt to steel, we can hear this name. With wealth of 6 lakh crores and with almost 7 lakh workers, Tata Group is in first place in India. Most of the success credits goes to Ratan Tata. The companies including like Reliance, Aditya Birla and Adak is not as big as Tata's group. With 150 years of Tata's history and with more earning, and why Tata's is not been in the richest column. And let's know more about Tata's and Ratan Tata in this video. So let's begin the video. Tata's company was first started as a cotton mill and it was founded by Jamshedji Tata in 1868. And even Tata started the first airlines company in India. But after the Second World War, Tata Airlines was collaborated to Indian Airlines. Not just airlines, but also the first steel plant in Asia and the first hotel in India was started by Tatas. In this way, Tatas brought new types of business to India. All the generation of Tatas were able to manage the Tata Group, but Ratan Tata multiplied the wealth of Tatas more than 600 times.
Ratan Tata was born on 28 December in 1937 in one of the richest family in India. When Ratan Tata was 10 years old, his parents got separated and he was brought up by his grandmother, and later he completed his engineering in Cornell University in America and he got job offer from IBM company. But G.R.D. Tata suggested Ratan Tata to join Tata Steel industry in India. Ratan Tata came back to Jamshedpur in India and worked in Tata Steel plant in 1961. Later in 1991, G.R.D. Tata made Ratan Tata as the chairman of Tata Steel. And during that time, many board people opposed Ratan Tata as the chairman of Tata Steels and said he has no experience in the company and how can you hand over crores of business to him? And later, Ratan Tata proved that they are wrong and the value of the company was increased from 10,000 crores to 6 lakh crores. Even after such development, Ratan Tata did not remain in the richest people in India or in the world because 66% of the profit in Tata's company was transferred to charity run by Ratan Tata, and his company worth more than 6 lakh crores, but his private assets is just 5,300 crores. If Ratan Tata did not run his charity, he would be in the top third richest man in the world.
During his service, Ratan Tata had undergone many insults. In 1998, Ratan Tata launched Tata Indica car and the car failed in the first year. So, board members suggested Ratan Tata to sell the car to the Ford company. So, Ratan Tata accepted it, and to sell the car, Ratan Tata and his committee members had been to America. And in America, the Ford company chairman insulted Ratan Tata by saying, "If you don't know to manufacture the cars, then why did you establish a car company?" So, Ratan Tata returned to Mumbai without having a deal with them. After few years, Tata Indica was in profits, and suddenly at that time, the Ford company launched luxurious car like Jaguar and Land Rover, and the Ford company was in losses right at that time. And Ratan Tata offered Ford company that he was ready to buy the cars, and this time Ratan Tata made the Ford committee members to visit Mumbai to talk a deal. Ratan Tata had a takeover for 9,300 crores and later he made Jaguar and Land Rover company into profits. The person who have insulted Ratan Tata, he made the same person to come to him. And not only this company, but he also bought Chorus company in Europe and he bought Tetley Tea that belongs to England and combined to Tata Tea. And now Tata Tea is the second largest tea company in the world. Once upon a time, Britishers gave job to Indians, but now Ratan Tata gave jobs to Britishers in his company. And not only this, but he also bought 22 international companies and merged to Tata company and made Tata as an international brand. Tatas did not aim India to become economic superpower country, but they aim India to become a happy country. And they worked more for middle and lower middle class of Indian people. Once, Ratan Tata saw a family moving in two-wheeler vehicle in the rain and felt sad for it. And he decided to build a car for middle class people who can afford it. And that's Tata Nano. With the maximum budget of 1 lakh rupees, the car must be designed, Ratan Tata said. After the words of Ratan Tata, most of them laughed and made fun of Ratan Tata. But Tata ignored all this and he called engineers. But they said it's impossible to build a car within the budget of 1 lakh rupees. But Ratan Tata did not hear to them, and later the car was released. But due to some drawbacks, the sales of the car was less. Due to manufacturing of nano cars, there was thousands of crores lost to company. But Ratan Tata did not stop manufacturing the cars because it was his dream to provide cars to the middle class people who can't afford it.
Ratan Tata had to face many problems during his service, and the nano car manufacturing plant was ready in West Bengal. The local people protested there, and Ratan Tata did not want people to get hurt, and so he transported the automobile plant to Gujarat. And during that time, they felt very difficult and uncomfortable to transport. And later, there was a terrorist attack on Taj Hotel, and he faced many problems daily. And most of us don't know Ratan Tata did not get married because when he was in America, he was in love with a girl. After his studies, he had to come back to India, and his lover tried to visit India, but suddenly war was announced between India and China. And because of this incident, she didn't visit India, and later she stayed there and then got married to another person. And this was said by Ratan Tata in an interview, and later he didn't think of marriage. Even during his 80s, Ratan Tata was very active, and his hobby is to drive Falcon plane, helicopter and sports car. Ratan Tata believes in youth and their power. So, Ratan Tata invests his money in different fields like Paytm, Snapdeal, Cardeco, Ola and many more, and he always encourages them. Tata Group did not aim to make money or to become rich. Tata Group is the only company in the world gives 66% of their profit to charity. Not only Ratan Tata but also his parents and grandparents were doing the same, and that's why Tata is the most trusted brand in India. Helping nature and trust is in the bloods of Tata. When terrorists attacked Taj Hotel, the employees in the hotel did not care about their life, and instead they tried to save the life of their customers. With this incident, we can understand that Tata Group give importance to values. Tata Trust. The people in the remotest area of the country are given various facilities like education, health and employment. Even today, many students in India and even who studies in other countries are given scholarship by Tata Trust. And even Ratan Tata gave 300 crores funds to Harvard University in America. And with pride, Harvard University gave name to one of its campus as Tata Hall. And in 2018, Ratan Tata gave 1,000 crores to cancer patients in India. Because of his services to nation, our government rewarded him with Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan, and some universities around the world treated him with doctorate. We Indians should be proud of having such great person in our country. Once upon a time, he was said that he was useless for work, and many insulted him, but he didn't give up. And the wealth of 10,000 crores was increased to 6 lakh crores during his service. He had spread the name of the Tata Group all over the world, and he was able to create a Tata as an international brand, and even extended his stretch to different fields like Tata Steels, Tata Motors, Tata Tea, Tata TCS, Tata Chemicals, Tata Teleservices, Tata Power, Tata Electronics, hotels, Tata Insurance and even more. But he leads very simple life, and he stays away from gaining popularity. He may be not the richest man in the world, but there is no good kind-hearted person like him. And even today, no single man hates him due to his kind, soft, simplicity attitude and his works.